Alright guys, today I'm going to fix a normal thing the iPhone user suffering. Blurry, shaking images. That's my phone and that's my camera. It's really shaking. So what I will do is fix this camera. Let's do it. I have already opened my iPhone. I've opened it. So I'm going to travel of holding phone. Just stay inside. What I will do is put a magnet inside the camera, like this way. This is the camera. I have a little magnet. This. Look at it. This is the tiniest magnet. We will need to fix. Oh, I can focus. Right. Here we are. So I will put this inside of the phone, the back of the camera, and the metal piece in the center, but I figured it out something it will not fix properly if you put it in the center of the camera. So I had to figure it out how to stay, and as you can see, it's fixed but not totally fixed. So I have to make a way, make it proper fix. Alright, so I have put it at the side of the camera, back of the camera. As you can see, it's snap. But another issue is I can close. It's too bigger. It's too big magnet. So I have to make it more tiny. Or I can close the phone. So now it's really fixed, but I can close the LCD panel.
No shaking.
See, no shaking anymore.
Anymore.
Alright guys, so finally this is the smaller piece I break in one piece stuck inside at the corner. You see, I don't need a glue. It will stay there. So it's a good way, and it will not fall. And finally I can close my LCD panel. You see, no shaking, it's totally fixed. So hopefully guys it will fix your camera issue. And please subscribe to my channel if you don't, and like.